Okay, second graders, so now that we are done reading the book Happy Pig Day, we are going to be focusing on those character traits. So we're going to focus first just on the character traits of Piggy. I'm going to start with all of the outside traits. These are traits that I can see just by looking at Piggy. I don't have to know him, I can just look at him and say all of these traits. So let's start with the kind of animal he is. So we know that Piggy is a pig. Okay, another thing that I can see right away is that Piggy is pink. Okay, I know that Piggy is small. I also know that he has pointy ears and a snout. Okay, that's all that I can think of right now of traits that I can see on the outside of Piggy. Now I'm going to move to those inside traits. So we know that inside traits are traits that we can't see just by looking at somebody. We actually have to get to know them to know these traits. So while I was reading the book, I kept thinking how silly Piggy is. He was planning a happy pig day for himself and all of the activities. So I know that he's pretty silly. He was happy throughout our whole book, excited, and I'm going to say he was really friendly. He was making friends with those three pigs that came to join and was a good friend to Gerald through the whole book. Okay, so those are our character traits for Piggy, our outside traits, and our inside traits.